We need to solve the following linear inequality. It's linear because we have one variable x with its highest power of 1. Now let us begin. First step, what we'll do, we'll keep 2x minus 3 divided by 4 on the left hand side, but we'll transpose 9 to the right hand side. So that means we will be subtracting 9 from both sides. So this will give us 3 plus 4x over 3 minus 9, which means we have 2x minus 3 divided by 4 greater than or equals to 4x over 3 minus 6. And the next step, what we'll do, we'll take transpose 4x over 3 from the right hand side to the left hand side. All we have to do is subtract 4x over 3 from both sides. So we will get 2x minus 3 divided by 4 minus 4x over 3. So this will be greater than or equals to negative 6, because 4x over 3 gets cancelled out. Now the next step will be to combine them. What we'll do, we'll combine the two terms. So we'll take the least common multiple of 4 and 3, so that's 12. And then we have 3 times 2x minus 3 minus 4 times 4x. So this is going to be greater than or equals to negative 6, which will give us 3 times, we'll distribute 3 with 2x minus 3. So we'll have 6x minus 9 minus, we'll distribute 4 with 4x, so that will be simply 16x divided by 12, and this is greater than or equals to negative 6. So we have 6x minus 16, so that means we have negative 10x minus 9 in the numerator divided by 12, and this is greater than or equals to negative 6. What we'll do, we'll multiply both sides with 12, and 12 being a positive number, so the sign of the inequality is not going to flip. So it will give us negative 10x minus 9. This is greater than or equals to negative 6 times 12, so this will be 72. Next step, we will transpose 9 from the left hand side to the right hand side. All we have to do is add 9 to both sides. We have negative 10x greater than or equals to, the 9 minus 72 will be negative 63. Now what we will do, we will multiply both sides with negative 1. So when we multiply both sides with negative 1, we have to be careful with the sign here. So what will happen is that the sign of the inequality will flip. So that means it was earlier greater than or equal to, now it will become less than or equals to. So that means we have 10x, this will be less than or equals to 63. Now to solve for finally x, all we have to do is divide both sides with positive 10. Now since we are dividing with a positive number, which is positive 10, the sign is not going to change. So we'll have x will be less than or equals to 63 divided by 10. So this is going to be the solution to our given linear inequality. And if we want to write it in the interval form, so that will be negative infinity, starts from negative infinity and goes all the way up to 63 over 10. So here negative infinity is unbounded, so we'll use an open interval, but 63 over 10, that is included, so this will be denoted by a closed interval. If we want to represent it on a number line, all we have to do is we will use a number line with 0, one point is 0, and the other point will be 63 over 10, which is roughly 6.3 or somewhere between 6 and 7. So let's call it 63 over 10. Our solution will be all values of x which starts from negative infinity and goes all the way to 63 over 10. Here 63 over 10, that value is also included. So here we will use a dot. So this dot represents that 63 over 10 value is also included in our solution set.